what's going on? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video today I wanted to share with you a awesome niche that anyone can do and start generating income for themselves for their online business. And I'll tell you the specific step-by-step strategy, so once you get in, you can start making income for your YouTube automation business. Also, you want to stay till the end, because at the end I can give you pretty much a step-by-step blueprint on starting YouTube automation business, or also if you're looking for some cheap online business that you can get started with for you to start getting that financial freedom that you're looking for. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is my channel. I talk about everything got to do with starting your own online business, if it's YouTube automation and bit of affiliate marketing as well. So I'll quickly go to this channel so I can show you what I'm actually talking about. So the channel is called History on Flick, right? So this channel didn't start that long ago. If you check out the videos, they haven't got that much videos, right? So 80 videos, but they started I think about 2 months ago, and as you can see they started getting traction, right? So when they started they were not very consistent, but now you can see if I go to latest upload, you'll see that they're posting maybe 2 or 3 videos a week currently, and you can see how much views they're actually getting per video, right? So this channel hasn't got that much subscribers here, only 13,000 subscribers. But if you go and check out how much views they're getting, they got 74,000, 39,000, 60,000, 78,000, 14,000, 20,000. So you can see, you know, they're building up momentum. 1 month ago they got 249,000 views here, 273,000 views here, 18,000, and going up and up, right? So this channel will easily be generating, I believe, 3 to 5k a month or even more. I actually don't know the specifics on this RPM and CPM they be generating on this history channel, but it'd be up there, like probably I'd say $15 to $20. But it's an awesome niche to start, and the good thing is, like, the way that this channel is doing is like really different to what other channels are doing. And I'll tell you the place where you can actually get the freelancers from, so you can start outsourcing all this and get your team. So you can go to this site here, Upwork. You can get editors, you can get thumbnail designers, you can get voiceover artists. Also, if you're looking to get a voiceover software, I'm giving out free voiceover software, so you can reach out to me, and then I'll schedule a call with you, and then I'll actually show you how the voiceover software works. And the good thing is, you don't need to hire a voiceover artist. I will give you free access to the amazing software that I have created. So that way, once you get in, you can, instead of wasting money on voiceover artists, you can pretty much have the software do all the hard work for you, right? So I don't know actually how much the voiceover normally costs, about $20, $30, $35 and up. So you have to pay them, depends on how much videos you're going to be creating. So you have to pay them accordingly, right? And also don't forget that you need to pay Upwork the fees as well, so it quickly adds up. But the great software that I have created, you got like it's very human like, right? So you won't be able to tell that it's like a software. It's like really amazing how the interface works and everything. So it took a while to create something like that, so you're going to get free access to that. So just send me a DM. I will leave my link in the description, and also in the comment you can reach out to me via Facebook, and that way you can get access to the free software, right? So and then other amazing thing that I also have access to is a content creation script writer software that I will give you access to that as well. So in that case, to start a channel like this, you'll need very, very little money, right? So only need to get a thumbnail designer and a video editor. So those are the two things that you're going to get. But the script writing software and also the voiceover, we will give you access to that, so you don't have to pay for that, right? So which is very, very cool. But if you don't want to start YouTube automation business, because I have personally started many channels, and recently two of my channel got deleted. I actually cannot get access to that channel anymore. I asked YouTube, but I never got an answer from them. So and also in the meanwhile, I've also started doing a different business model, very, very unique and very, very different to YouTube. But the good thing about this is, like, you can build the channel up and very quickly you can start generating income. If you haven't watched my previous videos, you can go and watch it. You'll see just within the last 7 days I've earned $1,000, $2,000, close to $2,000 just within six days of me starting out, right? So the profit you can make like very easily compared to YouTube, which might take you maybe 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, right? It all depends. So you have to be very consistent on YouTube. But the business model that I have started is getting me amazing results. And good thing is, like I said, you'll get access to all the training, all the softwares that we're actually using in here. So this is actually the back end of what you're exactly going to get. So it will teach you how to actually build a funnel. It will teach you how to build a like get all this free traffic into your funnel, which is like really great. And we also have all this strategy here, but at the moment I'm just utilizing all these free methods, right? And in this free method, it will teach you how you can actually start getting and generating income. And the profit margin, we say about lowest profit you can make per month is well, within the last 7 days, I'll tell you, I've earned about $1,800 just within the last 7 days. So I can see it quickly adds up, and that way you can start generating income. And next month, this amount which I have, it will be double or even quadruple, because once I start doing the paid methods, it's just going to be like blowing out of the water. So once you get in, I actually set up the whole entire system for my team, right? So I will give you a custom funnel that will give you a very high opt-in rate. I'm talking about 70 and 80% opt-in rate, right? Which is unheard of. Is because I have a specific funnel that I've actually designing for myself, and I had to test it a lot myself for me to craft the best funnel for my team and for me. So and I know that funnel actually converts very well, and the opt-in rate that you're going to get is very high as well, right? So and then I'll tell you the specific traffic strategy you need to use. So if you want to start getting traction, straight away, not straight away, once you start plugging into the training, and I'll give you a specific traffic strategy if you don't want to do the free methods. If you want to just go with the paid methods, I'll actually tell you which method will get you the most amount of traction moving forward, right? So if you want to know more about it, I'll leave a link in the description for my Facebook. You can reach out to me. You can reach out to me if you need access to the voiceover software, if you need access to the scriptwriter, right? This scriptwriter is better than ChatGPT and GPT-4. So it's a lot better than that. It's specifically designed to write script, and it's specifically designed to create content, right? So you can reach out to me and ask about that. And if you want to know more about this business model, I'll also jump on a call with you just to explain how everything works, so you actually know what to do from beginning to end. So again, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave all the details in the description. You can reach out to me, ask any questions you might have, and I'm here to help, support, and guide you every single step of the way. So until next time, my God bless you all. My name is Sanjeev, and bye for now.